Namaste and welcome to Delcare. I am your guide at the Delhi airport, making your journey smooth and stress-free. Whether you're connecting to an onward flight or exiting at Delhi, we've got your back. Just landed from abroad at Delhi airport? If Delhi is your final destination, here's what you need to do. Follow the immigration signage after landing. Indian passport holder, head to the Indian passport holders counter. And if you are a foreign passport holder, you will need to fill the disembarkation form and submit it at the immigration desk and let an executive guide you. If you are entering India for the first time with an e-visa, you will need to register your biometrics at the biometrics kiosk before heading for immigration. After immigration, you will pass by our duty-free stores. Feel free to splurge on gifts and articles. Once done with immigration and shopping, look for baggage signage. Collect your baggage from the designated belt. Check the screens for your flight number and belt details. Next, clear customs through red or green channel. If you have goods to declare or if you are unsure, use the red channel. Else, walk through the green channel. You may be asked to scan your bags. After you go through customs, you're officially in Delhi. Now you can head to the official taxi counters or use app-based cab services. Or look for the Airport Express Line Metro on Terminal 3 for a quick and economical ride to the city. Remember, Delcare is your airport family. Need help? Just spot any of our staff in uniforms. We are as friendly as your favorite neighbor. From all of us at Delcare, happy onward journey and thank you for flying through Delhi.